This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Quick Do. So Quick Do is a special extension designed specifically for Google Chrome. This Quick Do is the unwanted browser extension that may change a lot of crucial browser settings. In particular, it would change the default search engine. So if you mistakenly add it to the Google Chrome browser, it will change your default search engine, and when you submit some search queries, you may sometimes and pretty often get the results by some other fake search engines. This extension Quick Do is often spread through integration with many free applications, so we recommend that you get rid of it as soon as possible by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions. So disable and remove this extension. Finally, I recommend that you thoroughly research the system with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your system to detect and delete all other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.